Hi gamers, want to know how to get Monopoly Go free dice? It's easy, just follow me and you will end up getting thousands of Monopoly Go free rolls in your account. Head on to Google and search for this portal. Select this website, then search for the game and tap on Start Hack. Enter your game username, select your device type and the number of dice rolls you want. Tap on Connect and wait a moment. You may witness a human verification pop-up that you can complete very easily. Just do as instructed and you will be verified. Once it's done, just go back to your Monopoly Go game and check your balance. You should see your Monopoly Go free dice rolls instantly in your account. Moreover, if you found this video helping, please give it a like and subscribe for more Monopoly Go free dice links.